Division using known facts. So there's a couple of ways to look at this. Starting with the question at the top here, 480 divided by 4. What I'm doing here is I'm thinking about my knowledge of the 4 times table. Now I know that 4 times 10 is 40, and I know that 4 times 11 therefore would be 44, and I also know that 4 times 12 is 48. Now if I know that 4 times 12 is 48, that also tells me that if I had 48 divided by 4, it would be 12, okay? Because of the fact families that are all related there. So then I can also work out from that information that if I have got 480 and I divide that by 4, that because this number here is 10 times bigger, it's going to mean that the number at the end there is going to be 10 times bigger as well, which means it's going to be 120. So just using the number knowledge I have of times tables, I know that 480 divided by 4 is 120. Now the question at the bottom here is slightly different because I can't necessarily, with it not being a multiple of 10, it's slightly harder to use those number facts. However, what I can spot here using the times table knowledge that I have is that this is in the 6 times table and this is in the 6 times table. I know that 6 sixes is 36, so 6 times 6 is 36, which would mean that 36 divided by 6 would be 6, and I know that 6 divided by 6 would be 1. So that tells me that 36 divided by 6 is 6, so if it was 360 it would be 60. However, because it's 366, it's actually 61. That's the fact that we're using there. So it's always worth looking when you're looking at division questions or multiplication questions, is there a times table fact or a division fact that you know that will help you to answer any of those questions?